The cow is walking in the field. The cows are eating the grass. The horse is running in the meadow. The horses are running together. The goat likes to play on the farm. The goats are eating food. The pig is jumping in the mud. Pigs are together on the farm. The turkey says gobble gobble and lives on the farm. Turkeys are walking around. The ducks is swimming in the pond. The ducks are eating their food. The dog is fletching, tasting. The dog is laying down. The chicken is looking for food. Chickens are eating their food. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo! The rooster is saying cock-a-doodle-doo. The cat is chasing a mouse. The cat is looking for a mouse. The sheep is soft and has white wool. The sheep are in the field. The rabbit is soft and jumpy. The rabbit is in the grass. The donkey has big ears. The donkey is eating the grass.